Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you use a Suunto watch for running, you can connect it with Runna to sync your workouts, follow structured sessions, and keep all your training data in one place. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Runna with Suunto in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what using Runna with Suunto means. So connecting Runna with Suunto allows you to sync completed runs to Runna, track workouts on your watch, monitor progress in one place, and combine watch and app data. So your Suunto watch records the run and Runna stores the training data, okay? So first thing first, install the required app. So open the App Store or Google Play, install Runna, install the Suunto app, log into both accounts, use the correct accounts for syncing, open the Runna app, go to settings, okay, tap connected apps, select Suunto, log into your Suunto account, allow all permissions. This enables automatic syncing, okay? So then confirm the connection, so return to connected apps, okay? Check that Suunto shows as connected here, okay? Now runs will sync after workouts, okay? Now start a run using your Suunto watch. So open the run mode on your watch, wait for GPS to lock, press start, and complete your workout. So the watch records the run data, okay? Sync the run to Runna. So open the Suunto app, wait for the activity to sync, open the Runna app. So the run will appear in your Runna activity history, stats updates automatically. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.